The majority of Florida homeowners who may start seeing huge spikes in their flood insurance rate. 1.7 million Floridians have bought policies through FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program.
And it's not just impacting waterfront mansions. ABC Action News reporter Heather Lee goes beyond the maps and to the people with a look at who's really impacted by this and why some say it just doesn't make any sense.
Living in Florida is like living in paradise, with views like this almost everywhere you turn. For Melinda Pletcher, it's her backyard.
I've lived on the beaches and been in this community since 1983. You know, I've raised my girls here, and I've helped people buy and sell homes.
It's why Pletcher is concerned about changes to FEMA's flood insurance program.
Today's a big day when it comes to flood insurance in this area.
October 1st, new policies are being calculated differently, with more emphasis on the value of the structure. The same changes will kick in for current policies in April. The government says the new system is all about making sure homeowners are paying a fair rate for their risk. And FEMA says many current premiums will actually go down or only slightly increase.
A FEMA compliant home that was built 6 feet above base flood, exceeding all expectations of what FEMA's goals and directives were.
Pletcher says homes like that are now getting the short end of the stick. She says her neighbors are seeing their yearly $680 policy jump over time to around $12,000.
It's almost penalizing people who are doing things exactly how they would want you to do.
She thinks it'll either push folks to self-insure or turn to private market insurance, which she says goes against FEMA's goals. And these changes aren't just impacting waterfront homes.
From a state level, we're seeing that 80% of Floridians are going to see higher rates on this new flood insurance program.
Jake Holhouse with HH Insurance worries about smaller, more working class homes that aren't directly on the water, but are still in flood-prone areas.
You know, there's a lot of retired folks this will make a significant difference. If you're looking at $500 a month increase, I mean, that's a car payment. That is substantial.
Pletcher also thinks folks who are not in flood zones that wanted the extra protection just in case will likely not go through FEMA now. Congressman Charlie Crist blasted the changes, calling on House and Senate leaders to halt the program until it can provide full oversight and, quote, implement appropriate affordability measures. Heather Lee, ABC Action News.
Heather, thank you. And we know there's a lot to this story and many people may still be confused. So to make it easier, we posted this story on our website. Head over to abcactionnews.com.
Now to the FBI.